For letter C, we're given the diameter, so I'm going to find the radius, which we're going to cut 8 in half, so the radius is 4. The surface area is 4 times pi times r squared. So we do r as 4. I would calculate 4 squared first and get 16. 4 times 16 is 64. So the surface area is 64 pi inches squared. For the volume, we do 4/3 pi r to the third power. Our r is 4, so we'll do 4 to the third power. If we calculate 4 cubed, we should get 64. And just like the other problems, I would do 4 times 64 first. And that gives me 256 divided by 3. And then you just drop down your pi. So divided by 3, we get 85.3 repeating. And then our label would be inches cubed. Okay. And then in letter D, very similar, but we are given the radius this time. So if the radius is 9, you're just going to plug into the surface area and to the volume. And so I'm going to plug 9 into R. Uh, 9 squared would give me 81. And then I would just multiply 81 times 4, and that would be 324 pi. And that would be meters squared. Okay, for volume, we have 4/3 pi. R is 9. So 9 to the third power is 729. And if you are not sure, on the graphing calculator, if you wanted to find that easily, you would do 9, this button right here. It's called a caret button, so you click that, and then the third power, and it would give you the number. Okay, so this little button allows you to do any exponent that's bigger than 2. So then I would multiply that by 4, and that gives me 2,916. We would divide that by 3, and that gives us 972 pi. Again, don't forget that label of meters cubed, and that would be all you would need to do for that.